Let's unlock the secret to the richest, creamiest Alfredo sauce you can make from scratch in minutes.
You only need a few high-quality ingredients: heavy cream, fresh garlic, real Parmigiano-Reggiano, butter, and black pepper. Crucial step: always grate your own Parmesan. Pre-grated cheese contains stabilizers that prevent the sauce from becoming perfectly smooth.
Start by melting half a stick of butter over medium-low heat in a wide skillet until it just starts to foam.
Add 2 cloves of minced garlic. Cook for just about a minute until it's fragrant, being careful not to brown it. Now pour in 1½ cups of heavy cream. Whisk it gently to incorporate the butter and garlic.
Bring the sauce to a gentle simmer. Look for these small bubbles. Let it thicken slightly for about 5 minutes, but do not let it boil. Turn the heat to the lowest setting. Now gradually whisk in your Parmesan until it's completely melted and emulsified. You'll know it's ready when it's smooth and perfectly coats the back of a spoon like this. Finally, season to taste. A pinch of salt, maybe a touch of nutmeg, and plenty of freshly cracked black pepper.
And that's it, a perfect, authentic Alfredo. Toss with hot fettuccine and serve immediately. Enjoy.